Hi there. Just wanted to give you a quick video here on silver certificates. I recently went into my local coin shop to see if they had any Canadian silver certificates, and they didn't. So I asked if they had any American silver certificates, and as a matter of fact, they did. So here's an example of one American silver certificate. This is a 1957 series, and as you can see, back in the day, they had sound money, constitutional money. Here's a silver dollar from the States, a peace dollar, 1923. So when someone charged a dollar, this is what they meant. Well, monetary systems transitioned, and they wanted to move away from the metals and onto paper. And so that's why they came out with silver certificates. These right here, right underneath where it says $1, says, well, actually, let's go above here. Above the United States of America, it says, this certifies that there is on deposit in the Treasury of the United States of America $1 in silver, payable to the bearer on demand. And so what that meant was you could trade your silver dollar for a paper dollar, and your paper dollar for a silver dollar. Well, guess what? That's not allowed anymore. Now you will find in Canada and the States, there's no longer any certification of silver or any being on deposit or it being transferable at all. Here's an example of a Canadian silver dollar from back in the day. Same thing, they transitioned from metal to paper. Now here's the more modern versions. Here's an American silver eagle, and you can see it says $1 on there. And the funny thing is, for the newer Canadian silver, it's actually a $5 denomination. $5. But both the Canadian and the American are 1 troy ounce. So if you want to have some fun, or see me having some fun with this very Canadian maple, check out my video called The Queen's Silver is So Much Fun. I have some fun with this coin in that video. In the meantime, I also just wanted to show you how awesome my local coin shop is by showing you the number here. Serial number 943, 942, and 944. So yeah, 2, 3, and 4. All the same, what would we say? Sequential serial numbers. So I was really happy with the condition of these, and that they had them in sequential serial numbers as well. What a great piece of history. In some ways novelty, but really for me it's the history. This can teach a lot of lessons about monetary history, and you know what we've moved to now. We know they're wanting to move to digital, which means there's zero ability to hold it in your hands like it used to be. So I encourage everybody to make sure they have some physical silver and gold on hand. If they still had these certificates, you know, it would make more sense to hang on to these. But right now, none of the paper money anywhere in the world is backed by any metal at all. Anyway, have a great day, and hope you enjoyed this.